IES technology offers advanced solutions for home appliance repair, ensuring your devices operate efficiently and reliably. Our services encompass a wide range of appliances, including refrigerators, washing machines, dishwashers, and ovens. We leverage cutting-edge technology to provide exceptional diagnostic and repair services. Our process begins with smart diagnostics, utilizing digital tools for precise fault detection and error code identification. This allows us to evaluate system performance effectively. Following this, we perform chip-level repairs on electronic control boards, including IC testing and micro-soldering, which help to restore appliances to optimal functionality. Moreover, our mechanical and electrical repair services cover critical components like motors and compressors. We replace defective parts and troubleshoot electrical circuits to ensure every appliance runs smoothly. We also focus on performance optimization with calibration and preventive adjustments to enhance efficiency and longevity. Key features of our service include advanced troubleshooting, modern diagnostic equipment, and a skilled team dedicated to delivering fast, reliable, and cost-effective solutions. Choose IES technology for professional care tailored to your appliance needs, ensuring they remain in top condition for years to come.
IES Technology is a professional technical service provider specializing in electronic repair, electrical troubleshooting, and advanced system maintenance solutions. The company focuses on delivering reliable, efficient, and cost-effective repair services for various industrial, commercial, and electronic systems. IES Technology Qatar. Contact us for your convenient services. Telephone 711-71041 502555686. Email info@icetechnology.com.qa. Web www.iestechnology.com.qa.